As much as I loved steep spiral staircase in my new project that made me feel like I'm in a cabin, not the house, my Airbnb guests didn't have the same opinion and despite clear listing description, still complained that the staircase is a nightmare if you have small child. Obviously, I started looking for ways what can be done in this case. I don't want to lose bookings and I'm always down to do some interesting improvement or project. On top of that, I figured that my railings are not up to code. The house was built in 1955 and I'm pretty sure the staircase has been installed there back in those days. The building codes require the balusters, or how we call the pickets, be spaced no more than 4 inches apart. Code inspectors use 4 inches diameter ball to demonstrate that the spacing is safe. The ball should not be able to pass through any opening in the guard along a stair. In my case, I think balusters were randomly welded and exact spacing wasn't meant to be, and it was way off the current building codes. I got them from 5.5 inches apart all the way to 7 inches. Welding different balusters definitely wasn't my option. I didn't even learn yet how to do it, and it's supposed to be a do-it-yourself project, and I still had to have a way to close openings to enter or exit staircase. So I decided that finding online and installing baby guard will be the best option to me. Out of different items, I found this baby guard or dog guard from brand Whiskey to be the most appealing to me. I'm not sure how I skipped checking on the installation part, but I thought I'll make it work. However, the hardware is designed for wood or drywall only, not for my crazy metal spiral staircase. So here is a little construction project I came up with. I wanted to build wraparound posts so I could attach baby guard hardware to it. My plan was to use the wood and with two 2x6 posts to wrap around 2 pickets and railing to have future guard to be extended all the way between them. I measured needed length for my new, how I call them, wraparound pickets. After staining, I had to mark on them where to make cuts with one of my favorite tools, router, so the handrail and picket can be inserted in the board halfway and the other halfway from different side. I had a couple of different bits for my router for this job. Just so you can understand what I mean by router cuts, here is speed forward video how I did some of them to make sure they gonna perfectly wrap handrail and picket around. The cuts are quite rough, but it no matter because it's inside part anyway, so no one gonna see it. We actually had to go one more round with my helper because I couldn't make it all fit well. I used wood glue first on inner part of the boards and then secured both boards to each other with 2¼ inches decking screws. I even went extra step, putting additional screws at some spots right by handrail or pickets to make sure the new post is sturdy and not moving back and forth. The most complicated part of project was done. The rest was easy as pie. Fill up holes with wood filler, sand and stain, and install baby guard hardware, which was very simple. It's just screwing down 2 brackets and 2 hooks to my brand new wraparound posts. As you can see, everything played out perfectly. It ain't no baby crossing this guard.